Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the TrueStrain Interactive Calculator, a critical tool for accurately analyzing material deformation in metal forming, forging, and mechanical testing applications. TrueStrain gives us the instantaneous strain measurement that's essential for large deformation analysis, unlike engineering strain, which becomes inaccurate beyond small deformations. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate true strain from dimensions, calculate final length from true strain, calculate initial length from true strain, convert engineering strain to true strain, calculate true strain from cross-sectional area, and multipass deformation analysis. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate True Strain from Dimensions. Next, we see initial length L0 in millimeters, final length LF in millimeters, true strain epsilon as dimensionless, engineering strain E as dimensionless, initial area A0 in square millimeters, final area AF in square millimeters, number of passes as an integer between 2 and 10, and reduction per pass as a percentage. After entering values, we click Calculate to process. Let's work through an example. I'm analyzing a steel rod undergoing tensile testing. I'll enter initial length as 50.00 millimeters and final length as 75.50 millimeters. Clicking Calculate gives us true strain of 0.412 and engineering strain of 0.510. These outputs tell us the actual instantaneous strain is 0.412, while the engineering approximation shows 0.510. This 24% difference demonstrates why true strain is crucial for large deformations. Remember, true strain is additive for sequential deformations, while engineering strain is not. Find the link in the description below.